If you're in Nigeria that based abroad and your plan is to invest back home, then this video is for you. One of the biggest fear most Nigerians in diaspora have is the fear of being scammed. And on this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can buy property safely in Nigeria. One of the biggest scams that most of all these scammers use is selling property that looks good to be true. A lot of people that have based in Enugu state but they have traveled abroad, when they try to buy property right here in the city of Enugu, most of them have spent 20 years, 30 years, 10 years in abroad. So when they try to buy a property, and let me use independent layout for example, a plot of land in independent layout is selling from 120 million to 150 million naira. Now they feel that the price of land is too expensive because of when they left Enugu state, the price was not as high as that. Now you know that Enugu state is developing. A lot of development has happened in Enugu state over the years. For example, you hear a property at independent yard selling for 20 million naira. 20 million naira is a good amount of money to buy a property for buy and build, but it can't get you a property at independent layout. But however, it can get you a land in locations like behind Centenary City, MNA, and Trazikulu Annex. 20 million naira can get you a plot of land in such location. Secondly, when you buy a property and you fail to know the actual owner of that land. Now when you are trying to buy any property right here in the city of Enugu, I would like you to get to know the actual owner of that land. Now the reason why you're knowing the owner of that land is for you to be sure of who owns that property, so that you're not going to end up investing in the wrong hands. Thirdly, ask for the right title documents of that land. Now ensure that you know the title document that the land you want to buy carries. Is it a CFO, a deed of assignment, or the land has a registered survey plan? You can go to the land registry and make your own search yourself. Fourthly, conduct your own due diligence. Now you conduct your own due diligence, ensure that the land you want to buy does not fall under any court case, is not under any dispute, the land is not under any government acquisition, it has no encumbrance on it. Now this is to make sure that you are investing in the right hands. One of the schemes that most of all these fake real estate agents make is sending a video for you, then they won't want you to come and inspect the property yourself. They will want you to send money to them. Now I advise you, before you buy any property, go for a physical inspection. Ensure that you inspect that property yourself to know that that property falls in the right location and the property is actually genuine. So if you're watching this video and you want to invest in Enugu state currently, you want to start your real estate journey right here in the city of Enugu, I can help you out to get safe, affordable, and the best property located in the best prime location right here in the city of Enugu. All you have to do is to call WhatsApp on the number you see on screen, 070 67 28 3262.